Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink, and something that can happen when you're laminating vinyl is if you stray at all, if you're not perfectly straight going in, or if you've got a lot of material, it can tend to stray side to side. You'll end up with this little piece of laminate that hangs over the edge, and this can get stuck to the cutter and can affect how it's cutting if it's dragging along that edge. Or if you're laminating a whole roll, it'll stick to itself. So when you go to unwind the roll, it'll kind of catch and it can tear the vinyl, so you have to be careful of that. So we're going to make an improvement to it. So what we've done is we switched our laminate to a 51-inch roll instead of 54, so that it doesn't touch those edges at all. So it'll eliminate that step of having to take it from the laminator to the table to trim off that excess before it goes to the cutter, so that we won't have it sticking on the sides here. As well as we always make sure that our print cut stuff is within 50 inches on the material, so we still have a ½ inch on each side outside of the registration marks, just so that if it does stray at all, it's not straying into the print.